Welcome to Mr. V's online classroom. I'm Mr. V, and I've been teaching math for 25 years, and I hope these videos will help you learn some important concepts. Today we're going to be talking about solving equations, part 2, two-step equations. Here's an example. 3x plus 11 equals 14. The equations in this video take two math operations to get the answer. You will use what you have learned in part 1 of solving equations. To solve any type of equation, you must isolate the variable. To do this, you must undo the equation. In order to undo two-step equations, you must do the opposite 2 times. Use this list below so you can do the opposites. Here are the basic opposites you need to know. Addition and subtraction, multiplying and dividing, squaring and square rooting. We always isolate the expression with the variable in it, in this case y. So we have 2y minus 9 equals 3. So we have to do the opposite of the minus 9, which is plus 9, because we want to isolate the expression with the y. Any math you do must be done to both sides. So there's the first plus 9. And there's the second plus 9. Do the math on each side, and you get 2y minus 9 plus 9 is equal to 3 plus 9. After doing the math in that equation, you get 2y is equal to 12. Now you have to do the opposite of multiplying by 2, which is dividing by 2. Again, remember to do it to both sides. Doing the math, we get 2y divided by 2 is equal to 12 divided by 2. So we get the answer, y is equal to 6. Let's try another one. So now we're going to isolate the expression with the x in it. Our expression is x divided by 2 plus 9 is equal to 3. So we need to get rid of the plus 9 first. So the opposite of adding 9 is subtracting 9. Subtract 9 from both sides, because any math you do must be done to both sides. Here's the negative 9. And here's the other negative 9. So you do the math on each side and you get x divided by 2 plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 3 minus 9. So after doing the math in that equation, you get x over 2 is equal to negative 6. Do the opposite of dividing by 2, which is multiplying by 2, the second step you have to make. Notice 1 on each side, times by 2, times by 2. So doing that math, we get x divided by 2 times 2 is equal to negative 6 times 2. We get the answer. X is equal to negative 12. Let's try another one. Isolate the expression with the y in it. So be careful on this one. We get 6 minus 2y is equal to 2. So what we are doing to the minus 2y is adding 6 to it, so we do the opposite of that, which is subtracting 6. Any math you do must be done to both sides. So doing the math on each side, we get 6 minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 2 minus 6. So after doing the math, you get negative 2y is equal to negative 4. So now we still have to get rid of the negative 2, which we are multiplying by, so we do the opposite, which is dividing by negative 2. And we get negative 2y divided by negative 2 is equal to negative 4 divided by negative 2. So we get the answer, y is equal to 2. Isolate the expression with x. So we get the expression is negative 4 equals 2x minus 12. That's the equation. So we do the opposite of subtracting 12, so we can isolate the expression with the x in it. So we add 12 to both sides. Math must be done on both sides. There's the 12 on one side, there's the plus 12 on the other side. Doing the math on each side, we get negative 4 plus 12 is equal to 2x minus 12 plus 12. So after doing that math, you get negative 4 plus 12 is 8. 2x minus 12 plus 12 is 2x. We have to do the opposite of the multiplying by 2, which is dividing by 2, because we want to isolate the x now. And we get divided by 2 on both sides. So doing that, we get 8 divided by 2 is equal to 2x divided by 2. And that makes the answer 4 is equal to x, or x is equal to 4. So now we're going to try one with a square in it. So we're going to isolate the variable y. So we get 2y squared equals 50. So what we have to do is get rid of the 2 first, because we want to just have y squared. So do the opposite of multiplying by 2, which is dividing by 2. Any math you do must be done on both sides. There's the divided by 2 on the left side and the divided by 2 on the right side. Doing the math, we get 2y squared divided by 2 is equal to 50 divided by 2. Now we do that math on each side, and we get y squared is equal to 25. We do the opposite of squaring, so we do square rooting on both sides. So we take the square root of y squared and the square root of 25. And then we get the answer of y is equal to 5. That's the end of our lesson for today. I hope it gives you some ideas about the basics of doing two-step equations. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Help me to make more math videos. Hit the bell notification so you know when I upload a new video. Make sure to check out these other math videos. Thank you.